Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can enable how you can unblock someone on Facebook easily. Now all you have to do, guys, if you want to unblock someone on Facebook, by the way, this works on both devices, Android and iPhone, so don't not to worry if you are using Android or iPhone. This works on both devices. Now you want to just open your Facebook account, as you can see. Now if you want to unblock someone, just click at the very bottom or right, you want to click menu. Now if you are using Android, you will find three little lions in the top right, okay, in the top right. Now if you're using iPhone, at the very bottom right, now scroll down, okay, and click on settings and privacy. Now after, guys, you click on settings and privacy, a few different options will come up. You want to click on settings in the top. Now after that, guys, you want to click on profile settings in the top. Now a few different options will come up. Now you just want to click on blocking. Here you will find the list of people that you have blocked. You just want to click on unblock. So the moment you click on unblock, this person will be unblocked. Click again on unblock, then you will be able to unblock these people. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment.